One of the things that's unique about being a content creator here on YouTube is that you can actually link to your other social media accounts and websites right in your YouTube profile. Most other social media platforms don't allow you to do that. I'm looking at you, Instagram, but recently YouTube changed where these links live. So I'm going to walk you through how to add these links to your profile, and I'm going to show you a couple of other places where you can add links in your actual content that you may not have known about. Let's just dive right into it. So you want to make sure you are signed into your YouTube account. Head on up to your little profile picture here in the top right of the screen and select YouTube Studio. From here on the left side of the column, you're going to want to go down to the customization option. And then at the top of the screen under channel customization, you want to navigate over to the basic info tab and then scroll down till you see this option here for links. Just hit the plus sign to add a link and give it a title. And then type in the URL. Make sure you include the full URL. To add more links, just hit this add link button and repeat the process. Once you're done entering all your links, be sure to head up to the top right of the screen and hit publish. Now to find out where these links landed, let's head up to our own channel. And there's a couple different ways to see these links. The first one is right under my channel description where it says 5 more links, and that will bring you to the About tab where all of these links live. Or if you were on someone's homepage, you could just navigate right over to About. But like I said, this isn't the only place you can add links on YouTube. You can actually add links inside your YouTube content. Again, head on over to YouTube Studio and pick a piece of content where you want to add a link. Make sure you're on the Details tab on that particular video and head on over to Cards. Then you'll get this pop-up window and you have the option to add different types of clickable cards to your video. You can use the player window to find the appropriate spot where you want to add your link and just select the Link tab. You want to paste the link and hit Apply. And YouTube gives you the opportunity to add an image to this clickable link. So to edit the image, hit the pencil icon. In this window, you'll see a preview of images that YouTube has pulled from that website, or you can select your own and just hit apply. And then you want to fill out the call to action and teaser text fields. You have 30 characters. In the player window, YouTube gives you a preview of what your card will look like, and you can actually click on it here and see how it's going to appear to your viewers once they click on it. Once you're satisfied, just hit save. And there's one other way to add links to your YouTube content. Again, we're working in the same Details menu. Head on over to End Screen, click the Add Element button, and again, you can select a link. Once again, let's paste that link. And now you're going to get an empty square box. That's a clickable link in your finished video. Again, you can select a custom image for this link, and you can change how long the link is up on the screen by grabbing the edge of this blue bar and dragging it to the left or right. And so you can see here, I've got 2 clickable end screen video suggestions. I've got this image, which is a subscribe button, and now I have an external link to my website. I'm going to hit save. So those are the ways you can add external links to your YouTube profile or in your content. Here's some other videos I know you're gonna love, and I'll see you again.